Greetings and thank you for making the time to join us today. My name is Untirezi Modise. I'm the head of payments for transaction banking at Standard Bank. I'll be facilitating a series of conversations with my colleagues, looking at the evolution of payments in Africa and globally. I am joined by my colleague Ali Khan, who is our head of structured payment solutions in transaction banking. Ali, the evolution of platform thinking seems to be shaping quite a lot of payment strategies in the continent, but more so globally. What do we make of this?
First of all, thank you, Untirezi, for having me, and hello to everyone. I think platform thinking has been around for the past decade or so, but we have really seen the exponential rise of that in the past 3 or 4 years, particularly as it relates to payments. In the traditional banking platforms, you had a binary relationship where it was a corporate to a bank or an end customer to a bank. Platform thinking is quite unique and powerful because it's a unified digital infrastructure that connects the financial ecosystem to multiple players. Obviously, when something has multiple players as opposed to 2 players, it brings more innovation, more collaboration, and more co-creation, eventually leading to the richness of the platform itself. So we at Standard Bank, Transaction Banking Payments, believe platform thinking is critical to the evolution of the payments that we are seeing across Sub-Saharan Africa.
Great. Ali, just simplistically speaking, if somebody was to try and understand what it means practically, would you give us a use case for a corporate looking to get into a platform system for payments? What would that look like?
Absolutely, and a great question. I think about the lifeblood of our continent, which is trade. As we know, 80% of our trade is done through the ports and the goods that are imported and exported in the various markets in Africa. Traditionally, or historical business model would entail a participant within the model, i.e. a customer would come to a bank, would procure a service from the bank, would then go into another model, i.e. clearance of goods, would then procure those services, and then so on and so forth. Imagine a world where there is a platform that exists which allows all participants within the ports, i.e. the port operator, the logistics provider, the end customer, and the various institutions that enable the clearance and the fulfillment of the products within the ports to function, with financial products being the underlying mechanism to enable that settlement. It becomes a very, very different proposition. We are talking about a world which is API-led. We are talking about a world that is driven by data, that utilizes artificial intelligence, and eventually leads to more participants in the platform, which leads to financial inclusion.
Great. And how big do you think technology is in driving sort of platform systems and the evolution to it? And you talk about APIs as a big enabler, but how do we see that sort of hanging out together?
I think technology and the players that provide the technology, be that fintechs or pure technology providers, are critical to the success of a platform thinking and within our payments landscape. We have seen a vast evolution and quite a rapid evolution at that over the past 5 years. I mean, if we think about cross-border payments, 5 years ago, T+2, or the ability to clear payments within 2 working days across markets, was a good achievement, especially in the context of Sub-Saharan Africa. Nowadays, low-value cross-border payments are being cleared in 5 minutes. And that is because of the technology that exists that enables this. So to answer your question, I think technology is fundamental in accelerating the rise of platform thinking within payments. But equally, technology is a key enabler in driving digital adoption, which then further leads to financial inclusion, which brings more participants into the platform itself, thereby leading to a rich experience.
Great. Ali, thank you for great insights on this conversation, and I appreciate the time.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.